Hello everyone, so today we are going to draw this octopus. For this octopus you have to draw a circle, very light. And half, but this is 3/4 view, so I am curving the way this one is curved. I am going to draw one more line and one more line over here. Now I am going to draw eye over here, not really far from this line. So this is circle and this is going to be little bit ellipse shape. If you are going a little bit out, that's fine. From here, this is going to be cheek over here, and from here to here, this is going to be the mouth. So I have to pull this one little bit out, means not out, you can say in the middle, and this one is from the starting. And then U shape. Erase the guidelines. If you want to pull a little bit more lower mouth, yes, you can go ahead and do it. Tongue. I did 3 circles, it's up to you. 1, 2, 1, ellipse, second ellipse and third ellipse. This one is reflection, I did big over here. 2 cute smiley over here. 1 lower lip line. If you want some circles over here to give the spots, half tiny. It's up to you. And then if you want to draw the ear, one, because 3/4 view, so you have to draw one from inside, and this one you cannot see, so it's coming from behind. So this line will be completed, but this one you have to erase and make sure it's coming from inside. Not pointed, soft. After that, if you want to draw the eyebrows, you can draw the eyebrows. This is the middle line. Now we have to draw 8 legs. So how I draw, I just draw roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, then maybe 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. So now I got the idea where I have to draw. Now I'm going to do it in little bit detail. So this one has to be white and this one has to be narrow, but at the same time it has to be soft. So I'm going to start from here. I will make a smiley, again a smiley and wide, and erase everything from inside, so it will look like front one. So when I did this side, now I have to try to make it same thing, maybe little bit smaller, that's fine. A smiley, curve U, and then make it wide and make it front. So erase everything from inside. So we are done with the 2 of them. Now the third one. This one again is smiley. When I'm coming here, I'm going to connect with the U shape and U and wide, and I will make this one front too. So 1, 2, 3. Now I have to do this one again. U, a smiley, U again, and wide. So I'm done with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to do 4 more. It looks like all of them are same style, so I really want to draw something different. So from here I'm going to show you how I did curvy one. So I did sad face, and I started from inside and making wide, and then I will erase. And this one is coming from the back, so I'm going to draw a line over here. Now this top one, I'm going to draw a smiley, and I will erase these lines. Smiley. Now I'm going to start from here, curve, and make it wide. So I'm done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to draw 2 more over here. So this one I can do the same style over here. So this is the line. Now I'm going to draw the sad face. Again I will start from here and I will go and make it wide. It's up to you if you want to draw one more here or one more here. It's up to you. I'm just showing the way I did. I'm making a little bit of space. So this one is front and this one is back. So if I will do this one front and then back, it won't look, means for me it's not interesting. So I really want this one in front. So I'm going to erase this one a little bit from here, and I'm going to make a shape like that, and then I will connect this one. So now we are done with all 8. Later on you can adjust the way you like. So we are done with the drawing part. If you want to color, I will suggest you to draw this way, one line over here. This is going to be darker shade. If you are doing purple color or any color, these will be little bit dark. So darker shade of purple, lighter shade of purple, whatever color you are picking, you can just do the darker and lighter shade of that. Let me do it with the marker now, so it will be more clear. So this ear is in, this one is out. I have to connect from here to here. Sometimes you have to make it a little bit thick, and somewhere you have to make it thin. And after that, if you want to draw hair and all these, you can do it. This area is going to be black. If you have a Sharpie, you can use Sharpie. This area also going to be black, these ones, and this one is white. Whatever color you like it, you can do it. If you want to sketch, yes, you can go ahead and sketch. I did blue over here, black over here, little bit of sketching, pink, 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 and I colored with the pencil. Thank you.